In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use target CPA bidding correctly in Google Ads. Target CPA, or cost per acquisition, is a bidding strategy that helps you get more conversions at a specific cost. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking to optimize your current campaigns, understanding how to use target CPA can significantly impact your advertising success. To get started, let's head over to Google Ads. You'll need to first open your web browser and type in the Google Ads URL. Once you're there, the first thing you should do is click on the Sign In button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Logging in will take you to your Google Ads dashboard where all the magic happens. After signing in, you will land on the Google Ads home screen. This is your main control panel where you can access different features of your ad campaigns. From here, the next step is to navigate to the campaigns section. You'll typically find this option in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking here will show you a list of all your current and past campaigns. Now that you're in the campaigns section, look for the Settings tab. It's important to understand that the Settings tab is where you can customize different aspects of your campaigns to fine-tune your bidding strategies. Once you've located and clicked on Settings, you're closer to setting up your target CPA. In the Settings section, find the Bidding option. Clicking on Bidding will expose a range of different bidding strategies that you can choose from. Here, we're focusing on target CPA. Selecting the target CPA option is crucial because it allows you to set a specific cost you're willing to pay for each conversion. Once you've selected target CPA, take a moment to set your desired CPA target. This number represents the average amount you'd like to spend for a single conversion. The system will then use this target to adjust bids dynamically, aiming to get the most conversions possible at or near your desired cost per acquisition target. Keep in mind that setting a realistic target is important. If it's too low, it might be challenging for the algorithms to find opportunities to bid successfully. Finally, review everything to ensure that all the settings are correct. Google Ads provides various tools and reports to help you analyze if your bid choices align with your conversion goals. By keeping an eye on the performance metrics, you can tweak and adjust as necessary to optimize your campaign outcomes. Understanding and using target CPA bidding effectively in Google Ads can streamline your ad spending and performance. Remember that practice and ongoing adjustments are key to mastering this tool. So dive in, apply what you've learned today, and watch your campaigns thrive.